Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change a battery for a 2018 Toyota RAV4 key fob. This is my key fob right here, and so the only tool that you need actually is the flathead screwdriver, and of course you need a fresh battery, and the battery you will need is the lithium battery, the CR2032. You can buy this from Amazon, 6 of this for about $7. So this is a long-lasting battery from Energizer, and let me show you how to change the battery. It should be easy. Look at for this RAV4 key fob right here, there's an internal key right here. So to pull the internal key out, that's on the side right there. It says push right here. You push this right here. There's a little button right here. You push, and then you pull the internal key out. And see where the slot where the internal key go in, and next to it right here, there's a little slot right there. So you need to do is just put the flathead screwdriver and kind of twist it right here. Twist it like that, and it's open up. So we need to do just twist it and open up, and just give a little twist right there. And right here, the inside compartment right here, this is all the button right here. Make sure you don't touch any of the electronic stuff right here. You don't want to touch much of that. Flip it over right here. Flip it onto this side. Okay, so the battery right there. And you see a little slot right here. A little slot in the thing right here. All I need to do is just take the flathead screwdriver, just pop it up. Just go underneath it. It should be right there. Pop it out. And just replace it with the new one. Make sure that the plus side right here is facing up, and just push it. Okay, just like that. That's it, and then put the cover back in. Okay, like that, and line it up and snap it in. That's it. That's it, and then put the internal key back in right here, and you're all done. Let's go test it out. So this is my 2018 Toyota RAV4. Let's test it out if the battery works or not. Okay, let me open the door. The light should flash. Okay, close the door. The light should flash. Let's turn on the car. Oh, it's working. The car is working. So this is how you change the battery on the Toyota RAV4 key fob. So you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye. For this RAV4 key fob right here, there's an internal key right here. So to pull the internal key out,